Welcome back to my channel, Zoology at 180. Let's see about the topic joints from the NCERT 11th class. The joints are the essential for movement as well as the locomotion. Then what is a joint? A joint is the point of contact between two bones or the bone and the cartilage are connected to the muscle. Whenever the muscle generates a force, it is transferred to the joint to carry out the movement through the fulcrum. As you can see in the diagram, some of the fulcrum. Observe that to lift the head, we require a neck joint. To lift the foot, we require the joint in the foot region. And for the bending of the hand, we require the joint in the elbow. So you can see the pressure or the force applied by the muscle is carried through this joint and helps in the movement. The human body has basically three types of joints: the fibrous, the cartilaginous joint, and the synovial joint. For easy study, we'll discuss with the structure of synovial joint. In the synovial, at the tips of the two bones, we have an articular cartilage called as the hyaline cartilage. The two bones are joined by the fibers and the ligaments called as the synovial capsule and filled with the fluid called as the synovial fluid. This will help in free movement of the joint. The common synovial joints in the body are the ball and socket joint, the hinge joint, the pivot joint, the gliding joint, and a saddle joint is present. Let's see the structure of the cartilaginous joint. In the cartilaginous joint, the cartilage at the tip of the bone moves to form the joint. The two bones are connected by the cartilage. Thus, these have limited movements. The common examples of the cartilaginous joints are present in between the vertebrae and the pubic symphysis of the pelvic region. In the fibrous joint, even this cartilage is missing, and the outer dense fibrous covering of the bone will fuse to form the joint, and this will form the zigzag sutures, example in the cranium. So all the 8 cranial bones are connected with the help of the fibrous joints and the sutures. As the two bones are fixed, there is no movement between the two bones. There are examples of the ball and socket joints. These are present in the shoulder region between the humerus and pectoral, and hip region between the femur and pelvic. Joint, that is the elbow joint and the knee joint. The neck region has a pivot joint present between the first two vertebrae, atlas and axis. The carpals have the gliding or the siding joints, and the saddle joint. The saddle joint is present between the carpal and the metacarpal of the thumb region. This is a special type of joint present in the higher mammals like humans, which make our thumb as opposable. That is, you can bring your thumb opposite to any of your fingers. The saddle joint is present between carpo-metacarpo of the thumb region.